Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this quick video, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to collect 50 pips a day. This is the 50 pips a day forex trading strategy, and it's a very simple approach to the market. You can make a lot of money by just collecting 50 pips a day. You don't need to catch massive moves or anything in the market. So we're just going to talk about it in this video. By the way, if you want to download the system that I have on my chart, it's a basic system for trading. It's very simple approach to trading. You can see the link in the description box below. I'm not saying it's the best trading strategy in the world, but in any case it works. It's very simple, clean approach to the market. So this is perfect for the 50 pips a day trading strategy. Understand that you don't need to catch massive moves in the markets in order to make money in trading. The problem is people sometimes are sold on this idea of wanting to become millionaires overnight in trading. That's why people are not content with catching 20 pips, 10 pips, 50 pips a day in the markets. That's why people end up blowing their accounts, because they are not content with just catching good moves and getting out of the market. So this 50 pips trading strategy is just designed for that. You get in, you collect your pips, and you get out, and you call it a day. It works well if you are starting with an account with a good amount, and you can see gradual growth with that account. This strategy is not meant to turn your $10 or $20 account into $1,000 overnight. No, this is meant to help you see gradual growth. Let's say you start with $500, $100, $1,000. You can start seeing gradual growth by just collecting today 50 pips, tomorrow 50 pips, the following day 50 pips. That's all that you just need to do. So how do we approach this 50 pips a day trading strategy? So let me just show you what is 50 pips. This is 50 pips. That's 50 pips. That's all that you need. This is only the movement that you need. That's 50 pips. This is 50 pips. That's all that you need to do. Simple trading. That's 50 pips. Very simple. Give the video a like if you are liking this. This is 50 pips. That's all that you need. Okay, let me show you this. Let me show you this period separators. Let's go to period separators. Now every section here is a day. Every section here is a day. So you can see on this particular day we had a movement. Let's just start there for random movement. That was 44 pips. It's not even precise. I'm just giving you random numbers, and this move was about 83 pips. I'm not even being precise. It could be more if I wanted to be precise. Here another 85 pips, and this is during the a day. This is during a day of trading. You can see already 40, 80, whatever. So you find that if you look at this on these days, this pair, it's GBP USD, it actually moves between, let's say, 150 200 or so pips a day. So that means half the work is done for us, because the pair that we are trading already tends to move more than 100 pips a day, and out of that movement we are just looking for 50 pips. So the first thing that you want to do with this strategy is find a pair that moves at least 100 pips a day. Also number two, you also want to find a pair, of course, low spreads. So GBP USD has fairly low spread, Euro USD has fairly low spread, but GBP pairs, they also tend to move fast. So if you're looking for movement, try Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, and such pairs. Then it's very easy to actually just catch 50 pips a day. So we say the first thing that you probably want to do is have a good amount in your trading account, so that the wins are meaningful, so that the money that you are generating from the 50 pips is meaningful. Then you probably want a support and resistance system, or an understanding of support and resistance, or just be able to catch moves at where price turns, where price is turning. I'm not saying use my system, I'm not advertising my system, but if you want to use it, the link is in the description box below. So just basically use supply and demand approaches to the market. Maybe you might want to use moving average crossovers, or you want to use Fibonacci. I don't know what you use, but generally what you just want to do, the idea is try to catch moves when price is turning away, and just catch your 50 pips from that move, and then you get out of the market and you call it a day, and you come back again the next day fresh and just catch 50 pips and you get out of the market. Then we said choose a pair that moves minimum 100 pips. Then it means that you are guaranteed of catching those 50 pips a day. Choose pairs with low spreads. We do not to catch 50 pips with a pair with a wide spread like the exotics, USDs and those things. Of course they move, but because of the spread, it's going to be some time before you actually see profit with those ones. So try to stick to the major pairs. So that's how you can easily catch 50 pips a day. You can also start with maybe you want to start on the daily, just to get idea on where the market is probably going. Bear with me, I don't know why MetaTrader 5 is so slow today. I don't know if it's my internet or something like that. Maybe let's drop down to the 4-hourly. 4-hourly is working. Okay, so get an idea of where the market is going on the 4-hourly or the daily. Get an idea of where the market is going on the 1-hour time frame. For example, here it seems like a good selling opportunity, and then the target will be here. Or if you are buying, then your target will be here for that 50 pips. So if you are buying out of this, your target will be somewhere there for 50 pips, or if you are selling, your target is definitely somewhere there for 50 pips, and you're out. That's basically it. Then you might want to go down to the 15-minute time frame. I know people love 15-minute time frame for more precise entries. For more precise entries, you can just go to the 15-minute time frame. That's all that you just need to do. Place your buy there, your stop loss around here, and your TP around there, and you're done. And you just wait to see what happens. Then as long as price starts moving in your favor, just start trading your stop loss. Then you're good. So you don't need to catch a whole lot of pips every day in order to make money in trading, and you don't need to risk a lot in order to make money in trading. So yeah, if this video has given you something to think about, like the video, share it with your friends, leave your thoughts, your comments in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what you think. Otherwise guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.
But I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can